Hey everyone, welcome to Formative Function Robotics, where creativity and technology collide in the most exciting way through our innovative learning method, Tactile Tech. Tactile Tech isn't just another educational program, it's a groundbreaking approach designed to make the complex world of mechatronics and robotics accessible to all. Imagine being able to grasp advanced technologies through simple, hands-on activities that bring those big concepts right to your fingertips. At the very core of Tactile Tech is our belief that the best learning happens when it's hands-on, engaging, and most importantly, fun. Our workshops are crafted around analog and tactile methods, allowing you to dive into the building and understanding of complex concepts without getting bogged down by jargon or the usual high costs associated with tech education. Our focus? From learning the basics of circuitry and mechanics to actually building your own robots from simple, cost-effective materials. It's all about project-based learning here, ensuring that you don't just absorb theory, but also acquire practical skills that you can apply in real-world scenarios. And it's not just about individual learning. With Tactile Tech, collaboration and creativity take the front seat. We're all about peer learning and fostering community partnerships. This creates a vibrant, supportive environment where everyone gets a chance to shine. So, why not join us at Formative Function Robotics? Discover how Tactile Tech can transform the way you engage with technology. Let's build the future together, one hands-on project at a time. And if you're as excited as I am about this, hop over to our website at www.formativefunctionrobotics.co.nz. Sign up for our next workshop and be a part of this exciting journey. Tactile Tech hands-on learning in mechatronics and robotics, where innovation meets accessibility. Thanks for tuning in, and let's make something awesome together. See you in the workshop.